蓋，蓋，
Cover.
蓋，蓋的意思是指器具的遮蔽物或封閉作用的東西，例如鍋蓋、瓶蓋等。
It refers to something that covers or encloses a utensil. For example, pot lid, bottle cap, etc.
瓶蓋太緊了，你能幫我打開一下嗎？瓶蓋太緊了，你能幫我打開一下嗎？瓶蓋太緊了，你能幫我打開一下嗎？
The bottle cap is too tight, could you help me open it?
蓋的意思是指形狀像蓋子的骨骼，例如膝蓋、頭蓋骨等。
It refers to a bone shaped like a lid. For example, kneecap, skull, etc.
我的膝蓋受傷了。我的膝蓋受傷了。我的膝蓋受傷了。
My knee is injured.
蓋的意思是把蓋扣在器具上。
It means to put a lid on a utensil.
为防止液體溢出，瓶子必須蓋緊。為防止液體溢出，瓶子必須蓋緊。為防止液體溢出，瓶子必須蓋緊。
To prevent liquid from spilling, the bottle must be tightly sealed.
蓋的意思是掩飾。
It means to cover up.
他想把真相蓋起來。他想把真相蓋起來。他想把真相蓋起來。
She wanted to cover up the truth.
真相無論如何都無法蓋住。真相無論如何都無法蓋住。真相無論如何都無法蓋住。
The truth cannot be covered up no matter what.
蓋的意思是用印。
It means to stamp.
買賣合同、合作協議、租賃協議等都需要蓋章。買賣合同、合作協議、租賃協議等都需要蓋章。買賣合同、合作協議、租賃協議等都需要蓋章。
Sales contracts, cooperation agreements, lease agreements, etc., all require a seal.
蓋的意思是壓倒、超過。
It means to overwhelm, to surpass.
背景音樂蓋過了人的聲音。背景音樂蓋過了人的聲音。背景音樂蓋過了人的聲音。
The background music drowned out the human voices.
蓋的意思是建造。
It means to build.
我的新房子蓋好了。我的新房子蓋好了。我的新房子蓋好了。
My new house is finished.
概括。概括。
Generalize.
概括。概括的近义詞是歸納。歸納。概括的近義詞是總結。總結。概括的近義詞是概述。概述。概括的近義詞是綜合。綜合。 概括的反義詞是具體，具體。概括的反義詞是詳細，詳細。概括的意思是只將分散的事物歸納或綜合起來，得出一個結論、概要或特徵。
It refers to summarizing or synthesizing scattered things to arrive at a conclusion, summary, or characteristic.
概括起來說，這個案件有三大特點。概括起來說，這個案件有三大特點。概括起來說，這個案件有三大特點。
In summary, this case has three main characteristics.
他的這番話概括出這個問題的三大要點。他的這番話概括出這個問題的三大要點。他的這番話概括出這個問題的三大要點。
His words summarize the three key points of this issue.
會議內容可概括為三點。會議內容可概括為三點。會議內容可概括為三點。
The meeting's content can be summarized in 3 points.
他把大家的看法概括出幾個共同點。他把大家的看法概括出幾個共同點。他把大家的看法概括出幾個共同點。
He summarized several common points in everyone's views.
概括的意思是簡明扼要地總結出要點。
It means to summarize the key points concisely and to the point.
經理向我們概括地說明了公司的發展方向。經理向我們概括地說明了公司的發展方向。經理向我們概括地說明了公司的發展方向。
The manager gave us a general overview of the company's development direction.
推銷員向顧客概括地介紹了公司的產品。推銷員向顧客概括地介紹了公司的產品。推銷員向顧客概括地介紹了公司的產品。
The salesperson gave the customer a general overview of the company's products.
他把事情的經過概括地講述了一下。他把事情的經過概括地講述了一下。他把事情的經過概括地講述了一下。
He briefly recounted what had happened.
感興趣。感興趣。
To be interested in.
感興趣。感興趣的意思是對人或事物產生明確的喜好傾向。
It means to have a clear preference or inclination towards a person or thing.
你對什麼運動感興趣？你對什麼運動感興趣？你對什麼運動感興趣？
What sports are you interested in?
我對打籃球感興趣。我對打籃球感興趣。我對打籃球感興趣。
I am interested in playing basketball.
他對打籃球不感興趣，但對跑步感興趣。他對打籃球不感興趣，但對跑步感興趣。他對打籃球不感興趣，但對跑步感興趣。
He wasn't interested in playing basketball, but he was interested in running.
他對游泳很感興趣。他對游泳很感興趣。他對游泳很感興趣。
She is very interested in swimming.
我跟你一樣，也對游泳感興趣。我跟你一樣，也對游泳感興趣。 我跟你一樣，也對游泳感興趣。
I'm interested in swimming, just like you.
你們對什麼很感興趣？你們對什麼很感興趣？你們對什麼很感興趣？
What are you interested in?
我們對電影感興趣。我們對電影感興趣。我們對電影感興趣。
We are interested in movies.
他對音樂感興趣。他對音樂感興趣。他對音樂感興趣。
She is interested in music.
我對電腦遊戲特別感興趣。我對電腦遊戲特別感興趣。我對電腦遊戲特別感興趣。
I am particularly interested in computer games.
謝謝觀看。